Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add page for your site in Bigcommerce. So let's start. First, what you want to do, you just click here on page in the left upper corner, and then you have like create a new page. You can just go like page name, about, page URL, you can change it, and you can also like parent page. So this page on navigation menu, nice. So about, you see it here, and now what you can do is just page builder, and I can easily add carousel here. I can just add the like arrow banner and stuff like that. So this is how we can do it, and this is how we can add a page in Bigcommerce. And what I'm going to create a new page. Yep. So thank you very much. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.